Hello, Mountain Chic family. How are you today? Again, I love getting your comments, messages, and follows on my Facebook and Instagram. So today, we are not baking. We are going to be doing a craft. And we're going to be working with one of my most favorite things. I don't know why, but pine cones make me happy. I live out in the mountains, in the pine trees, and I just love when the trees drop these cute little things. So we're gonna be doing a craft with pine cones. All right, so that's a big one. All right, so stay tuned and let's get to crafting.
So I had the luxury of picking pine cones out of my own yard, but if you don't have pine cones close by, then all the craft stores have pine cones. So you will need pine cones, some different paints that you like. I had spray paints and paints that I dabbed on, scissors, something kind of fuzzy like a cotton ball. And then I used twist ties, and the twist ties I got from the Dollar Tree, and some of the paint I did as well. And if you want to use twine for the face, you can. I ended up using paper towel and Mod Podge. You will need a couple sacrificial pine cones, ones that you're going to snip off and use in the project to fill in other pine cones. Just hot glue to fill in those empty spaces. Here you will take your scissors as if you're going to snip off the top part, but you're going to only grab it with your scissors and kind of bend it back. You're trying to make kind of a flat area on the top, but do not cut the very tip off because that's going to be the nose. But you are going to fold everything back so it's kind of flat for a face. You can use pipe cleaner, you could use the twine, you can use all different kinds of things, even like that you can cut off the end of a brush to make the face. My favorite was actually using the paper towel with Mod Podge. Now, if you haven't already noticed, we are making little hedgehogs. So now choose a paint color that you love or that goes with your decor. I like the creamy colors, as you well know. It's very mountain chic. And so I'm just going to dab this on to the pine cone that's going to be the hedgehog's back. And don't forget, where I live, our pine cones are very... they don't have a lot of the little petals. I don't even know what you call those. But anyway, so I had to fill it in to make it a nice, full, chubby little hedgehog. And for his sweet yet beady little eyes, that's where the zip ties come in. I got those at the Dollar Tree and they make perfect little eyes and even the tip of the nose if you like. So I just clipped those off and hot glued them right on. For his scruffy little beard, I used Dollar Tree dust wand. And I just pulled pieces off, cut pieces off. But you could use cotton balls, that would work. And here are 4 different little mountain chic, cute little faces of these hedgehogs. My favorite is the one in the front where I used paper towels and Mod Podge. And then my second favorite would be the one to the far right where I used twine. And I also did a little bit of Mod Podge and then painted it with the same color that I did his back. Which one do you like the best? Now on to my favorite thing to do with pine cones. I can give these as gifts. I can wrap presents using these. I can use them for decor in my own home. I absolutely love doing this, and it's actually kind of therapeutic. You gotta try it. Now we're using the bottom part of the pine cone. Okay, I admit, I'm not always the sharpest tool in the shed. I should have put gloves on. Yes, I should have put gloves on. I gave myself a whole different kind of manicure that I really didn't want. As most of you know, mossy green is my most favorite color. It makes me so happy. And to find this spray paint at Walmart, oh my gosh, I love it. All right, now to arrange my pinecone flowers. In this video, I did use a white bowl, which looked really pretty inside, but I ended up using a wood bowl, which you'll see at the end, and I put it in one of my bathrooms. Oh, love it. Now, of course, I had to keep some of them that creamy color, that Mount Chic color that I love so much. How cute is this, and how easy. This took just a matter of, 30 minutes maybe? And so much fun to do, so easy to do, and people love them. You could even put some essential oils on them so that they have like a nice smell to them. So just do different colors and really experiment with it, because it is so much fun, and you can use it for all different seasons too. I used very springy colors, but the fall colors would be gorgeous too. I sure hope you have enjoyed this video and have learned something, and most of all, I hope you try it. So let me know. Thanks, and have a great day. See you soon.